today, what is the plan? What is the plan? Today we're gonna have a picnic and have an island all to ourselves. Let's go! In the sandals, first try. I know why videographers have skateboards in their studio. It's because it gives them something to do while they're editing. That's why. Super time consuming. What's up everyone? My name is Andrew Romero. Welcome back to Vlog It Up here in Cozumel, where we like to talk about film, photography, and all the fun that happens in between. And today, our plans are a little bit unsure. Our plan today was to go to El Cielo. Have you ever been to El Cielo? It's one of the most popular spots here in Cozumel. And let's just bring it in here. Since it is windy out, we won't be going to El Cielo, so sorry to let you down on that. We'll do that in a future video. Today we're gonna have a picnic and have an island all to ourselves. And that island is called Passion Island. It's a beautiful little peninsula. It's not actually an island, but it feels like an island, and the story goes that all those Corona commercials where they're laying in one of those lounge beds and he puts the beer down. Yeah, those commercials were shot on this island, and we are gonna go have a picnic on that island. Oh, almost forgot. We're gonna take this bad boy out for a spin. You ate all the M&Ms? Oh, and those who like spearfishing, it is lobster season. We'll see you there. Once again, safety first. The Italian Coffee Company. All right, this is where we're gonna get our sandwiches for the picnic. A lot of people ask me, how is Cozumel doing with regards to sanitation? So sanitation water. As you can see, it's clean, and they take extra measures to be thoroughly sanitized. I couldn't help myself. Just got this outside. I couldn't help it.
I'm glad.
So I'm just gonna wait here for our sandwiches to be finished, and then we'll be on our way, all right? There we go. Sandwiches, done. Yeah, so it's not looking too promising. We're starting to get some rain. So just in case you were wondering what the marina looks like in 2020 when there's hardly any tourism. So yes, the tourism has gone down, so companies like Jade and Juani Boat Tours really appreciate if you do come out here. They're a really nice boat company, so check them out.
Come to Cozumel, have fun.
Just a little bit of backstory on this ship you're seeing. I call it the Resurrection because this boat actually sunk all the way down into the ocean. It just sunk. One of the storms just took it down. Lo and behold, they figure out a way to use balloons to bring it back up. And now it's floating. That's the boat that you're seeing right now. That's the boat. It's floating again. Afterwards, we were able to see these two other ships that are still sunk in the same area. Here's the first one, and we were able to get pretty close. And here's the second one, and the second one's a lot bigger. Now I knew I wanted to capture a photo, so I asked one of my friends to sit on the bow, and I was able to capture this photo. It was so cool because right at that exact moment, a bunch of fish just swam like diagonally across him, and it was just an awesome moment. It was so much cooler in real life. The photo really doesn't do it justice, but I'm glad I captured it. Anyways, this other boat that you're seeing was a cruise ship from Mexico that was basically used as a party boat. Imagine all the stories this boat has, and during one of the hurricanes, I believe, it was just shipwrecked right here on the side of Cozumel on the north side. And if you ever go to Passion Island, that's where you'll see it. It's just lying there. If the captain of your boat is willing to, you can actually just ride just around it just like we did, and you can take some amazing photos. I just regret not taking a really good close-up photo. I got some video but not any photos, so maybe next time I'll be able to do that. But it's just a really cool sight, and you'll be able to enjoy that and see that. As for Passion Island, we made it to Passion Island and we were able to have a nice picnic there. There was nobody on the island except for some security guards there, and it was just an enjoyable time. We got to jump off the pier, we had some fun, we ate our sandwiches, and it's just an all-around good little tour to do. So if you ever come here to Cozumel, it's just a good, nice, safe little trip. There's barely anyone there, and you'll have a great time. We're gonna head out to do some spear fishing. see if we catch a lobster or two, and see how it goes. All right, see you in the reef. We ended up catching 3 lobsters and a lionfish. So just so you know, those lionfish look beautiful, but they are actually pests in the Caribbean Ocean here. They kill all the fish that protect the reefs, and they taste amazing. Actually, they kind of have a flavor a little bit like lobster. So we didn't keep the fish ourselves. That's why we didn't end up cooking it and didn't show you a catch and cook kind of a video. We ended up giving it to this couple who was visiting. Why not have them catch some lobster, and what a beautiful memory for them to have. Woo! All right. This is boat hair. Oh, and sorry. Woo! All right, that's better. Oh yeah, and we have a hammock in the studio. All right, everyone. Well, I really hope you guys enjoyed that adventure with us today. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll get followed up with the newest videos. And I'm going to try to post a new video every week. Finding out that that's a good start for me to just start posting once a week. It gives me time to edit it and really, you know, fine tune my editing skills and video skills. So, but anyways, that will be it for today, and I hope you guys enjoyed that once again, and I will see you guys on the next one.